Welcome back to another exciting episode of our podcast. I'm Oleg Shevtsov, and join me is Dmytro Lavraniuk. Well, telcos discuss and try to monetize an API-centric approach, especially for value-added services. Today we'll focus on the existing API that, despite being in place for years, have not gained the popularity we initially anticipated. The video is about the significance of call control API for telco industry. Telcos rely on this particular API to build voice applications, either for internal use or for customers.
Thanks, Oleg. We're thrilled to discuss the power of Call Control API and how it can enhance your communication capabilities. If you've ever wished to have full control over your calls programmatically, this is the episode for you.
Absolutely, Dmytro. Call Control API opens a world of possibilities for businesses. Let's start by highlighting some use cases and benefits. We begin with use case 1, click to call.
With Call Control API, you gain the ability to programmatically make, answer, and terminate calls, both within your network and beyond. Imagine the flexibility this provides to your business operations. You can initiate calls directly from your web-based switchboard, CRM system, or just from any page in a browser.
Do you mean integrating click-to-call functionality into your website or mobile app, allowing users to initiate calls with a simple click?
Well, yes, but it's just one example. With a simple API call, you can obtain real-time information about ongoing calls for individual phone lines or even for your entire PBX environment. This level of visibility is invaluable for call monitoring and management.
Okay, Call Control API provides also notifications about the call state changes. This means that you can receive instant update on the call events such as call start and or even calls that are queued while there were no available agents. There are notifications that enable you to build intelligent workflows and enhance the user experience.
Now, let's dive into the exciting part. Call Control API serves as an incredible tool for developers to add real-time communications features to their own applications without the need to build complex backend infrastructure and interfaces.
This sounds promising and can actually become a game changer. Instead of reinventing the wheel, developers can leverage our Call Control API and focus on creating innovative applications that require seamless telephony integration. This opens up a world of possibilities for communication platform as a service. Can you provide more examples of where it can be used?
Absolutely, Oleg. Whether you are building a dating app, a customer support system, or any other application that requires real-time communication, Call Control API provides the backbone to bring your vision to life.
So here comes use case 2, Autodialer.
Let's look at one example. It's an autodialer system. Imagine you have a sales team that needs to make a large number of outbound calls to potential leads. With the Call Control API, you can automate this process by building an autodialer application. The application can fetch a list of leads from your CRM system and programmatically initiate calls to each lead one by one on a scheduled date and time. When a lead answers a call, the system can play an announcement and connect them to an available agent via a pre-configured call queue.
This automation not only saves time and effort for your sales team, but also ensures consistent and efficient outreach. You can customize an autodialer system according to the specific requirements, such as defining call intervals, incorporating call recordings, or even integrating with your existing lead management workflows.
That's right. Using web callbacks, it will be easy to implement all kinds of reports and dashboards that will visualize how the call campaign is progressing.
And now we switch to use case 3. virtual contact center is yet another powerful use case. With our call control API, you can build a feature-rich contact center solution that brings together agents and customers from different locations. For example, in the banking industry, providing excellent customer experience is paramount. After a customer visits a bank branch, it is crucial for the bank to get feedback and assess the quality of the services.
So, based on internal banking events, the bank's virtual contact center can initiate a follow-up call using the API, connecting the customer with a survey or a feedback system. This allows the bank to gather valuable insights directly from the customer, ensuring a seamless feedback process.
Correct. By leveraging capabilities of Call Control API, banks can efficiently assess service quality and make improvements based on the customer feedback, ultimately enhancing the overall banking experience. And here comes use case 4, verification calls.
Yet another interesting use case for Call Control API is to verify users across the globe via a simple phone call to their mobile or landline number with a customizable message.
Dmytro, I'm actually receiving such verification calls myself when I'm using online banking, for example, to transfer money.
Applications from any other industries can potentially use our Call Control API to secure access for customers and employees with a simple phone call.
So it looks like it's possible to provide ability to operate with any custom AVR application for Call Control API. We approach use case number 5, order tracking.
Yes, just consider one more example. An online shop wants to automate the process of providing buyers with relevant information such as their order status. To make this happen, they implement an IVR application to gather user inputs and retrieve the necessary information from the shop's database. When a buyer calls the contact center number to check their order status, PortaSwitch answers the call and plays a prompt to enter an order number and then collects the input. The IVR application retrieves the data from the shop's database and sends the API request to PortaSwitch to inform the buyer that their order has been shipped already.
That's incredible. We hope that you found this discussion enlightening to give Call Control API a try. As always, if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll continue to explore exciting topics in the realm of communication technologies.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.